If your Samsung A50, A30, A51, or A31 fingerprint sensor has stopped responding or isn't recognizing your finger properly, don't worry. There's a simple calibration trick that works surprisingly well, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, open your Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Once you're there, look at the top right corner and tap the three-dot menu. From the options, select Reset App Preferences. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your apps or personal data. It just resets the default settings for system apps. Next, in that same app screen, tap the filter or sort icon. You'll see an option called Show System Apps. Turn that on so you can see all hidden system services. Now, use the search bar at the top of the screen and type in this: com.samsung.android.biometrics.app.setting. When that result appears, tap on it. Then, go to Storage. Inside Storage, tap Clear Data. Confirm it if a pop-up appears. This clears the biometric data cache and forces your fingerprint system to recalibrate itself. Once that's done, return to your home screen. Now go back to Settings, Biometrics and Security, Fingerprint, and re-register your fingerprint from scratch. You should immediately notice an improvement in accuracy and speed. Your fingerprint sensor will feel more responsive, just like when your phone was new. And that's all it takes. No third-party apps, no complicated fixes, just a quick system reset and recalibration. If this helped solve your fingerprint issue, make sure to drop a like and comment below to let me know if it worked for your device. And if you're still facing problems, feel free to ask. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.